Hello everyone, welcome to Vajrang Talks. I came up with a solution for a problem which most of us are facing. So when we are writing the code, many times when we do some commits into Git, sometimes code might be having issues and it might lead to failure. One of the solution is whatever the code that's already available in Orchestrator, take that code and work on that. One of the solution. Now, when we have created or published something in the orchestrator, we can download it as a NuGet package. Now, how can we get code files out of a NuGet package? Simple. Just go to any NuGet package that you have. See, whenever we publish something and using orchestrator, the code will be available in our username, program data, UiPath, and packages. So just go. I'm using 7-zip. Maybe if you want to use WinZip or something WinRAR, maybe you can try that, but 7-zip worked for me. Extract it to a particular folder. Here it goes. And here, if you go into library in .NET 4.45, here is the code right away available for us. If I go and right away click on the main, let's wait for that to open. Meanwhile, let's see if we can get or if we can check with some other package as well. So here, this webinar help is one of the packages that I am using. So let's extract this as well and let's see if the code is coming from this as well or not. Same thing, go into library, 4.5, 45 package. So all the files will be available in the NuGet package. No need to worry if the file is lost or anything. Let's wait for the program to take its time to download the packages. Yes, this is simple hello world, but as you are seeing, the code is available for us. And let's add one more code file for this. Let's see if this comes for us. Did you subscribe to my channel? If not, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of videos on RE framework and also training videos and as well as live interview videos on UiPath. So that's how you do it. And let's see with the last one. I think it should take time, but we will be able to see the result. The code is ready for us. Let's wait for this to open. And yeah, everything is ready for us and it's right away available. So don't worry if you have any issue with your code. If there is a package that's already published in your orchestrator, you can take it and you can work with it. Like, share, and subscribe. Vajrang Talks. Bye-bye.